How to fix the issue where your laptop mouse cursor is too slow. So if your mouse is lagging or it's just moving slowly in general, then I'll show you a few ways on how to speed up your cursor. Now the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer and then just go and open up your settings. From the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then you can scroll down and click on the mouse. You'll then see the option for mouse pointer speed, and this is where we can slow down and speed up the cursor. So I'm just going to set mine all the way to its highest like this. If it's still slow, you can also try disabling Enhanced Pointer Precision. Now once you've done this, scroll down to Additional Mouse Settings. You can then click on Pointer Options, and you can also change the pointer speed from here as well. And you can also turn off Pointer Precision and press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, then what you'll need to do is open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You should see your mouse from the list. Go and right click on it and press Update Driver, press Browse My Computer for Drivers, and select Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. You then need to select the HID compliant mouse and press Next. Once you've done that, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's an issue with the actual trackpad on your laptop, then you'll need to click on the drop down next to Human Interface Devices. You'll need to locate your touchpad and click on Update Driver, and you'll need to do the same thing by pressing Browse My Computer for Drivers, Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers, and just go and select your touchpad from here and then press Next. You could then try restarting your laptop or computer, and your mouse cursor speed should be much faster.